Hi friends, today we are going to learn about char data type in C Sharp. Char is in a system.char class related one. Stores a single character. Size is 2 bytes. Stores Unicode characters, letters, digits, symbols, emojis. Now let's see those in example. For example, we have to use for char letter. We can store a. It always stores single character. Okay. Now when we want to print console dot write line and console dot read line, because console dot read line is always used for display the values. So I'm pressing the char data type and we have selected char project. Now when I run the project, look at here, a char letter a word is printed. Now char keyword stores different symbols as well. I'll show you that one as well. For example, in char, it can show, it can store symbol as well. Symbol. Look at here. It stores at symbol. Okay. Now we'll go with another example. Char stores number as well. For example, if I store with 5, it will print. There is no doubt at all. But that number should be in single quotes. Friends, always remember that char always should has a single quotes. Now the number is 5 and I'm going to run the program. Look at here. The number is 5 and its symbol. And even we can get the next one is a very important one. Once you come to senior level, this is a very important one, or even junior level also this is very important. We can store char keyword. For example, a char equal to, for example, a capital A. Okay, we can find out that ASCII key of th, because the char keyword in .NET system, it has a by default number it has been given. For example, if I show that console.writeLine, now I'm running the program. Look at here, the A capital number is holding 65. Now again we'll see another example. Now we'll check with the char with a small letter. Now, okay, I'm going to use console.readline char. See, now I'm going to print that one. No, I have printed this one. We have to assign int as key. I'll use another because for understanding purpose I'm using another one. Okay, now look at here. Now I'm going to print what is this number of character in the system. The previous one is, look at here. See, the capital A contains holding a 65 number and small a holding 97 number in the system. And friends, always remember that char stores only one character. Use single quotes. Internally stores Unicode values. Size is 2 bytes. Thank you. Please share it with your friends.